Have you ever been stressed at work because of a bossy employer? Or just tired of getting up early every day and fighting traffic? One of the many reasons we'd want to make money online is to get rid of ladders, which is why I'm going to show you a wonderful website that has the potential to assist in making a considerable amount of money and earn as much as $500. It's completely free and available globally as well. So stay tuned because I'll provide you with a variety of extra bonuses and free tools to get you started. Before we proceed, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Press the notification bell so it will notify you whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, feel free to leave a comment below. Now let's get back to the video. I want you to take a look at this website ratio on Amazon.com. However, it's in the Kindle book section right now. If you go down below here, you'll notice that there are several people who are selling ebooks for $4.99 and $3.99 on this website. And as I scroll down further, we can see that there are a lot of Kindle ebooks that have been posted on this website too. Some are even selling for $13.99. Take a look at this one right here where over 1,800 people have written reviews after purchasing these Kindle ebooks. Now let's go to the online calculator where one Kindle ebook costs $13.99 and there are over 2,770 people who are interested in purchasing it. You can see here that by merely releasing a single Kindle ebook like this one, you've made approximately $37,000. All you have to do is copy and paste and utilize a template that has already been done for you, which I'll demonstrate in today's video. You don't need any expertise or money in order for you to do this because all you have to do is follow my simple methods. The second website that I'd like you to visit is Bizme.co. This website allows us to produce highly appealing and functional Kindle ebooks like this one, allowing us to sell a lot of money without requiring any prior experience. So the first step is to choose a done-for-you template, and as you can see, there are a lot of variety to choose from here. So keep on watching because in a moment, I'll show you a real-life example of how to use it. After you've picked a ready-to-use design, you may customize it as much as you want. For example, you can also modify the background, font size, color, and pretty much anything else. Step 3 is that you can get these ebooks for free and publish them on Amazon. So stay tuned because I'm really excited to tell you about this amazing opportunity. Now I want you to go to this page and click on this blue button right here and you'll be taken to this page where you can sign up for a free account from anywhere in the world and start writing your ebooks. Simply enter your name and email address, and if you scroll down, you'll see that there are several documents to choose from, such as reports, proposals, resumes, cover letters, and so on. We'll look for this one over here, ebooks. Once selected, you'll see that there are different templates that you can choose from, all of which are professional and very beautiful. As you can see by scrolling down below, there are literally hundreds of options for your template you can simply click on, and everything will be done for you automatically. On the Amazon Kindle ebook website, as you can see, there are several distinct types of email that you can sell, including arts and photography, business and money, education and teaching, and so on. But I want you to focus on health, exercise, and diet because this category is the most profitable, which means you can make a lot of money online with little competition. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video thus far. And if you found this information interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now that you've decided on the area that you want to focus on, health and fitness, we will now look for a template that's appropriate for these types of categories. If you want, you can use this template right here. As you can see, it's highly professional and appropriate for the health and fitness area. If I click on this preview button here, you can see what I'm talking about, and you'll be able to see what's inside the template. You can also see the other cover photos by clicking this next button, and all of the pages that are covered by this template will be displayed. They're all designed to show people how to lose weight and what kinds of fruits they can eat. This is a well-written article that's jam-packed with information on the subject. You can copy and paste this template once you've decided that it's ideal for you. All you have to do now is go in and check on this blue button to use it. As you can see, you can go to this new page, modify and alter whatever you want. One of the reasons that I like this so much is that they provide you with a cover picture of the ebook that is really professional and gorgeous. If you're talking about calories and a good eating plan, for example, there are several pages and pages of material that can assist you with these topics. You may copy and paste them and start selling them on Amazon right now. Now, if you don't like something on this page, you can double-click on it as well as the text, change the font, bold lead, underline lead, text color, and any other changes you want. The great thing about this is that everything is taken care of for you and you can customize your name or a nickname in this section. You can also change the title of this ebook right here and tweak whatever else you want. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do now is go to the top and click the download button, which you can do on your phone or computer. The website we're using is actually FreePLRdownloads.com. This website primarily has a large number of contents that you can simply copy and paste and download for free. They also have a large number of categories to offer, as you can see right here. But for the time being, we're going to focus on health. If you click on this health plan here, you'll be taken to this category of health, and if you scroll down below, you'll find hundreds of different ebooks or done-for-you Kindle ebooks that you can download for free. Take this ebook right here for example. All you have to do is click on this and you'll be redirected to this page. Scroll down further and you'll see a blue download button, which in this case is right here. So all you have to do now is click on the download button and sign up for an account. Once you've downloaded all of the health category ebooks, you can start selling them on Amazon and make a lot of money using the FreePLR website. Now, when you finish your ebooks on Bizme.co, you can get them as well on FreePLRdownloads.com. And once you've done that, the next step is to post it on Amazon. In order for us to do that, we're now going to Kindle Direct Publishing. You can go to their website, kdp.amazon.com, and start publishing your ebooks just like this one and start making money. As you can see here, you can get the market fairly quickly because publishing only takes less than 5 minutes and your Kindle store can be accessed from anywhere in the world in as little as 24 hours. If you don't have an Amazon account yet, all you have to do is go to this page and click the sign up button right here. If you do, you'll be directed to this page where you can log in to your account. Now, if you're completely new to Amazon, you can scroll down here and click Create Your KDP Account, and you'll be taken to this page where you can create a new account. Simply enter your name, email, password, confirm your password, then create KDP account. From there, you can begin publishing your inbox by uploading them to Amazon, where they will begin selling your work automatically. And that's it! It's been great sharing this innovative approach with you, and we hope that you get a lot from our videos and begin earning real money. If you enjoy similar content like this, feel free to take a look at our other videos, and if you like it, please hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our videos. So what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as our primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. See you in the next video!